Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without watermark for free. Very easy, very simple guys. Let's launch the TikTok app. Let's find video that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this video over here. All you gotta do is to click on the arrow on the right side under the comments, right? Then I want you to click on this menu over here. Click the link. We just copy the link on our clipboard. Now I want you to go on Google Chrome and find this website, guys. It's called snaptik.app. You click on it, you go on the app, you want to paste the link that we just copied, and then you click the green button download. In just a matter of seconds, you're already going to have the link ready to be downloaded with the video itself. As you can see, you have two options of downloading it. Essentially that's it, guys. Be very careful, be very mindful. There is no watermark on the videos. Always make sure that you click on the right real download button. Sometimes these websites have, as you can see, plenty of other downloads up and down, so please be mindful and check where you're clicking and which is the real download button. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.